Meaning of eurhythmics.
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 Eurhythmics. Eurhythmics refers to the practice of interpreting music through bodily movements. It was developed by Swiss musician and educator Émile Jacques Dalcroze in the late 19th century as a way to train musicians to have a better understanding of rhythm and musical expression. In Eurhythmics, students are taught to listen to and respond to music through various body movements, such as walking, clapping, and dancing. This approach aims to create a deeper connection between the musician and the music, resulting in a more expressive and emotional performance.